Well, hello everybody. We are out at Eagle Point Nature Preserve around Spencer, Salisbury area, North Carolina. Probably about an hour out of Charlotte, so. Came across the trail, thought I'd come around and do it, so. A little overcast this Saturday, those that are wondering. Tropical storm or depression. Sandy came in, hit a little bit yesterday, but looks like it's gonna be overcast. So hopefully that's all it is. There might be on and off rain, but I think the worst of it is over. So yeah, that's what we is working on today. So should be a good time. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll check back with you. Well, the sun is trying to peek out. Where's my shadow? There he is. Not much of a shadow because the sun's still kind of behind the clouds. But it's trying. All you can ask for. Yeah, we're in the Eagle Point Natural Preserve. Nice little moderate trail today, nothing crazy. But still pretty nice out here. Leaves are obviously falling down. Got some greens in the back. Alrighty, I'm gonna keep rolling. There's the water. I had a bunch of crows fly in, and by the time I pulled the thing out, they all flew back. You can probably hear them in the distance. Well, hello everybody. This is about the edge of the trail. Kind of see some beach stuff down there. Boat just went by, but it's called High Rock Lake. Is what it's called here. So pretty cool. A lot of blowdowns, as you can see. So yeah, pretty nice view of the lake. Well, hello everybody. Trying to find myself on the beach here. How cool would that be? A little island right here. Everybody's out fishing, looks like. So yeah, I decided to go trailblazing the trail back that way through all this blowdowns and trash and stuff like that. So hello everybody. Well, let's go see what Heron's Cove is all about, shall we? You see a little picnic table in the background. Got the beach over there. Here's the, again, High Rocks Lake is the name of this lake over here. So I assume the trail's gonna take it up. Gonna take us down to the beach. Going to the beach in November. Well, it's funny, you know, that tropical depression came up after hitting Florida. It brought all the nice warm weather with it. But now that the thing's pretty much moved on, it's gonna start to cool off again. So it brought all that tropical warmness from the Caribbeans and on. So look at this. This is living, everybody.